Hi, welcome to challenge number 10. An exam has two sections. Score of each section has equal weightage for calculation of overall score. If Ravi has scored 85th percentile in both the sections, what is the maximum and minimum overall percentile Ravi can get in the exam? Interpretation of 85th percentile is that 15% of the test takers have scored above this 85th percentile mark. Let us look at this. Section 1. How it appears. 15% of the test takers are above Ravi's mark and 85% of the test takers are below that mark. Similarly, for section 2, Ravi is at 85th percentile mark. Well, the question speaks about percentiles. Percentage of test takers below or above Ravi. However, no information is given about the score obtained. Case 1. To calculate the maximum percentile that Ravi can get. Let us pick up this 15% of test takers in section 1 who are above Ravi. Now their marks in section 2 are very low, far below Ravi, and in section 1 they are marginally above Ravi. So that the total marks of these 15% of test takers, overall marks, is less than that of Ravi. Similarly, in section 2, let us consider the 15% test takers who are above Ravi. Assume that they got marginally higher scores than Ravi in section 2 and far below scores in section 1, so that their overall score is below Ravi. Hence, Ravi can be the topper when overall score is considered from both the sections. He can get 100 percentile. This is the maximum. Now let us consider case 2 to calculate minimum percentile that Ravi can get. Pick up the 15% test takers above Ravi in section 1, and they got just marginally less score in section 2 compared to Ravi, such that the overall score of these 15% test takers is higher than that of Ravi. Similarly, if we consider the 15% test takers who are above Ravi in section 2, let us assume that they got little less marks than Ravi in section 1, such that the overall score of these people is still higher than Ravi. So overall score of each of these 15% test takers is more than Ravi. And if these two 15% test takers, if these two sets are mutually exclusive, a maximum of 30% can get more than that of Ravi. 30% or more than Ravi. That means the percentile of Ravi is 70. This is the minimum percentile that Ravi can get.